I want to get the word out, make sure everybody that's following this YouTube channel knows that on the weekend of 16, 17 May, we're going to have the unknown distance range open to the public. We normally have that open to limited slots. So if you're interested, it's up on our website now at www.arenatrainingfacility.com. You can sign up now. Also, we'll have cabins available for that weekend. On the 16th, on that same Saturday, we'll have a pistol course going on, females, male course. Jim Gilliland will be teaching that course, so that is also available for you to sign up for on our website. So hope to see you guys that weekend. Hopefully the weather's nice and the winds are blowing hard as hell, so you guys can't hit nothing, and they ain't got to paint the targets. See you then.